I am fed up with that. Fed up. To be fed up means when you are tired or frustrated with a situation or a person or something, maybe because it's been going on for too long, then you can't stand with that anymore or you can't tolerate it anymore. Ou utilize fed up en anglais pou yon situation ou bien yon moun ou bien yon bagay que ou pas ka supporter encore. Peut-être soit bagay la fait trop ou bien juste pas ka supporter l'encore. For example, she is fed up with her noisy neighbors playing loud music at 2 a.m. Li pa ka supporter voisinage li yo encore kap jouer musique bien fort à 2 heures du matin. You can use fed up plus noun or fed up plus verb plus ing. Example, I am fed up with the cold weather. I am fed up with the cold weather. I am fed up with listening to bad news about Haiti. And you, what are you fed up with? Write it in the comment section below. Bye, everybody.